Yeah, it can go loud. Hey, how is it going, everybody? This is Real and welcome to another unboxing on my channel. Today we're going to unbox the JBL Charge 4. It features a 20 hours of playtime. It has a IPX7 waterproofing. You can use it as a power bank to charge your devices, phones, and stuff like that. And it features the JBL Connect Plus, which can give you the option to connect over 100 JBL chargers like this one, and make your own awesome huge party. Other than that, it has their base radiator design. It has a 7500 milliamps battery that, like I said, can give you 20 hours of playtime, and obviously it varies on your volume levels. It can use as a charger, like I said. It features a Bluetooth 4.2, 30 watts of total power, 60 to 20 kilohertz frequency range. It weighs around 1 kilogram. It has a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, and it features also a auto power off, which is also really nice. So let's go ahead and open the box and see what's inside. First, on the top, you can see Play and Charge Endlessly Charge 4 JBL by Harman Kardon, or Harman. I think it's connected to Harman Kardon. JBL Connect Plus Charge 4, world's #1 best-selling Bluetooth speakers as of 2018. So let's go ahead and open the box and see what's inside. Link in the description will be available to of the entire specs, and a link to the JBL website. Okay, so you have Play and Charge Endlessly with a lot of people holding firecrackers and dancing around on the beach. Yeah, obviously. Charge 4, it's really nice. It has this kind of foam. It's just a box. Inside you'll have the Charge 4 wrapped, and second. Oh, it was upside down. And this box, I guess it's for the brochures and a quick start guide. And a USB Type-C cable with a red kind of orange accent. Oh, and it's double-sided, so you can actually connect it two ways. I'll show you that in a second. Yeah, so it's double-sided, which is really nice to have. You don't need to go through every USB connection has 3 sides. Not that side, not that side. Oh yeah, it was that side. Just a power dryer, and that's it pretty much. Nothing else here. Okay, so the cable, and the quick start guide. I guess it would be pretty self-explanatory, the buttons themselves. So let's open it and see the speaker itself. Pretty nice box, I must say. I love boxes. Okay, so let's try put it like that. Wait a second. Okay. Okay, so let's open this one. And you have the JBL Charge 4. It has this kind of like transparent silicone. This one is white, as you can see. It says Charge 4. You have the Type-C connection, 3.5 millimeter input jack, and USB connection, I guess for charging, obviously. Portable Bluetooth speaker. So yeah, so I guess the USB connection here is like, you can connect the Type-C connection to here in order to charge the device, and you can connect the same cable on the opposite direction to charge other devices. I think it works like that. It looks like that, but I'll check that. Other than that, you have the power button, Bluetooth connection, volume plus, volume down. I guess that's a play one, and that would be the Connect Plus, because I see a plus sign over here. Yeah, the speaker looks nice. Okay, so let's try to connect it to something. So first, let's turn it on. Okay, it's on. I'll use my trusty LG G6, my previous phone. And now we'll look for devices. And let's see, the Bluetooth mark blinks, so I guess it's on a search mode. And let's see, pairing. Okay, so it gives you the confirmation note that it's connected. It's pretty easy, as you can see. You just turn it on. I guess if it was already connected to another device, so you just need to press it again and connect that. So let's listen to something on YouTube. Yeah, as you can see, pretty nice. Obviously, it's not the highest setting, but it's already strong enough so you can sit with people and listen to music. Yeah, it can go loud. Obviously, you can't compare that to like a really big stereo system or something like that, but it's really nice if you're in the pool and stuff like that, if you're on a jacuzzi, or in your shower if you like listening to music. I like listening to music in my shower when I'm taking showers. I have a stereo system in my shower, but it could be really nice to put that inside or something like that. So yeah, it's pretty nice. I think this button will hold and will pause and play the music. Let's try. Okay. Yeah, so that's what that button does. I guess this is the Connect Plus. That, like I said, gives you the ability to connect to other devices. Sorry for the camera moving all the time. Yeah, other than that, you have the JBL badge. This one, I think it's the battery indicator. Let's try it. Yeah, obviously it's the battery indicator. Wait. Oh, so it just disappears after you pressing the button. See? No, so I guess, yeah, obviously it's the battery indicator, because no chance this is like 4 out of 5 volume level. Yeah, so this is it pretty much. Works really nice. Another thing that I'm thinking about is that it's fabric, so it has the IPX7 waterproof, so I guess maybe you can wash the fabric if it gets dirty or something like that. I hope you can. Can be very helpful. Yeah, so other than that, you have this bottom that it's like this kind of like hard rubber that gives you the option to just lay it down. For me, I would always prefer to use the 3.5 millimeter jack, because I like it better, and I don't like the decompression of the Bluetooth and everything, but that's for your decision. Yeah, so other than that, it looks really nice. I'll turn it off. As you can see, on one short press it turns off, one long press it turns on, and yeah, I guess that's it. So if you have any questions or comments or anything that you would like to know that I didn't include it in this video, so hit me up in the comments below and I'll try to answer that the best as I can. I hope you enjoyed. I hope it was useful for you people who want to buy it. Obviously it's not the full spec. I would put a link in the description with all the specs, like I said. for those of you who are interested in this product. This is not my product. It's my neighbor's product. He just bought it, and I said, why not go ahead and do the unboxing for him. So yeah, that's all. Again, hope you enjoyed. If you want, it will really help me if you hit the like button, the subscribe button, just for you to see more videos, unboxing stuff, home decor, woodworks, metalworks, all this kind of things. I'm doing a lot of stuff, and like I said, I have tons of projects coming in. So if you find yourself interested in DIY and stuff like that, easy fixes, long fixes, restorations of things, I would really suggest that you will press the like and subscribe button. And that's it. Have a great day, and thank you for watching.